Now that your AutoBidder form is fully set up, all of your services and design are looking amazing. Now it's time to add it to your website. Now, this is going to depend on what website platform you're using. If you're using WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, you can easily add this. Pretty much any website editor that allows you to embed code, you can add this. So we're going to go to this embed code section. And all you're going to do is copy this code right here. Now, a few things you're probably going to want to do is set this to full width. Make sure that the width is set to 100%. And I also like to set the height to 100% as well. But depending on your website editor, the settings that you set here will have an effect. So you want to play around with this a little bit. Okay. You can choose to embed the entire form. And if you do that, you're going to copy this code right here. If you are using the Facebook ads feature, if you are using tracking, and I should mention this because this is important. Let's go to Logic real quick, scroll all the way down. If you're using meta conversion tracking, let's just turn it on for this example, say that we're using it. And let's head back over to the embed form, or the embed code. It's going to add this additional piece of code. So if you started with it off and you decide to turn it on, you're going to need to grab this code again because it's going to add your Facebook code, the little pixel that you need in order to track form completions. You've also got the ability to install a script instead of an iframe. Depending on your website editor, it might be better to go with a script. But in this example, we'll keep it simple. Now you can also embed individual services. So if you want to have a house wash form just on house washing, roof cleaning just on roof cleaning, you can do that by selecting individual forms, and it'll give you the specific code for that specific service. In this case, we'll copy code. Now I'll just use the built-in website here to test. If you have a website person, like a company who manages your site, all you have to do is send them this link or this code, ask them to either add it to your existing contact page or add a new page for instant quote, and then have them add that. Here you can preview a few different pre-built website templates that are designed, in my opinion, very well, especially for conversions. You can preview them, find one that you like, and here I'll just go with this one. Click Use Template, create it, and this is going to go ahead and create a website for us that we can get started using. So we'll open the editor. It's going to have us enter our email address here. So we're going to go ahead and log in. Or in this case, it's going to send you an email to set a specific password just for the website editor. So I'll go ahead and open that. The email you'll get will look like this. It'll have you set a password. We'll click Login. And now we're inside of our website editor dashboard. We'll click Edit Website. We'll head over to the instant quote page. Now this particular site template already has an instant quote page built in, but if not, you would just add a new page, add a section for instant quote. We're going to copy this. We're going to manage HTML, delete all that, and here I copied in the address. Now let's head back to the navigation page. We'll head down to embed code again, and we'll copy this code right here. Now actually, before I do that, I'll set this width to 100%. And I'll set the height also to 100%. And now I will go ahead and copy that code. We'll head back to the site editor, paste that code in right here. And now our AutoBidder form will load in. Right? And you can see how it would look. Now you want to play around with the design a little bit and make sure that it fits in with the site layout really well. And you see that looks pretty good. And we just want to extend it out, make sure the full thing can fit there. And perfect. And then what you can do is click Preview, copy this link, and send it to yourself on mobile or email it to yourself. That way you can see how it looks on your phone. And once you're good, you can republish, and now it'll work on your website. So that's how to get it embedded on your website. Like I said, this works for pretty much any website editor. Just the way, of course, every editor is different in how it looks. As long as you can embed code, though, then you can make this work.